Good afternoon, beloved brothers and sisters, parents. You are welcome to this edition of Feeling Pressed. My name is Peter Yurefi. I want to share a recent happening. It probably might have happened to you or someone close to you. A brother came to visit us at our residence. He stood at the gate for quite a number of minutes. He was trying to put cord through, but to no avail, until I turned on my data. That was when he was able to reach me via WhatsApp, unknowing to me that he had been standing at the gate for a long time. Now, he thought the gate was locked. Actually, the gate was chained, but not locked. I did not know, neither was he aware. He stood for some time, thinking the gate was padlocked. Yes, the gate was chained, but not padlocked, because one of our neighbor had already gone out. So by the time he was going out, he closed the gate, and temporarily he only used the chain to hold the doors together. Something struck my mind, and is the fact that many of us pray for open doors. We have knocked for hours, for years, for months, for decades, expecting God to open a particular door before us, until we approach it, until we look at the doors closely. It was then I discovered that God really opened doors wide before men. He only deals with padlock. He ensures that the padlock is set loose. Yes, maybe I should give one or two scriptural references. You remember the case of the Israelites when they were to cross the Red Sea? Yes. When Moses cried to God, God told him, the army of Pharaoh that he saw today, he would not see them any longer. The Lord told Moses to approach the Red Sea as if it had parted. You remember the case of Jordan. The Lord told Joshua that he should move ahead as if the Jordan had parted already. So until Joshua and the ark carrier approached Jordan, the manifestation of what they have requested from God did not happen. If this brother had just approached the chains, he would have discovered that the chain was without padlock. It was just a temporary lock. What have you been expecting God for? The Lord is setting you ahead, because he has gone ahead of you. He has gone before you, just for you to take some steps. Approach it. Put some effort. Yes, the padlock is unlocked. The padlock has been broken. You just need to set the chains loose. This is the word from the Lord. I pray that those doors you have been hoping on God, those doors of breakthrough you have prayed earnestly on, I am saying that the Lord has broken the padlocks, and God awaits you to set the chains loose. And as you do so, the doors will be opened wide before you. In Jesus' name. My name is Peter O. Irefi. Do have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.